This is it right here. It's approximately, I would say, 4 miles, maybe 5 miles away from my current location. And it's dropped down. I thought I saw another funnel cloud, but this thing is wicked. It's probably an F2, F3 at the most, but it's definitely kicking up some stuff. Pretty sweet. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. This is one of the cooler tornadoes I've ever seen. Alright, I'm gonna sign out. But this cloud is wicked too. Look at this thing. Holy crap, look at that funnel. That is a badass funnel. Looks like it's going up.